Hello everyone, this is 21.5. What are gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are vascular seed plants. That means they contain vascular tissue, which is the xylem and phloem, and they contain or they produce seeds. But their seeds are referred to as the naked seeds because they are not enclosed in a fruit, but rather you can see them enclosed in a fleshy or papery woody coverings. Whenever we mention gymnosperms, the first thing that comes to our mind is the conifers. Conifers is one of the lineages of gymnosperms. It's one of the groups of gymnosperms. They are the most diverse and familiar. They include around 600 species of trees and shrubs. If you want to identify a conifer, you have to look at their leaves. The leaves are needle-like. It's easy to find, or to tell. If you look in the figure, you can tell that the leaves are pointy, they are scale-like or needle-like. Conifers produce seeds in woody cones. And also, they are the most resistant to drought. That means they can withstand dryness. And that's why you can find them in the cold areas, especially in the northern hemisphere or the upper part of Earth. So conifers, they can withstand dryness and cold better and more than the flowering plants. Also, conifers, they contain the tallest trees, like the redwoods. You can see it in the figure here. This is the redwood tree, and you can see here it can reach up to 112 meters, which is extremely tall. Also, conifers contains the most abundant trees, which are the pine trees. Also, conifers have a great commercial importance. So we're going to list some of the uses of ferns in our everyday life. In certain areas, the bark of the conifers is used to mulch gardens. Mulch gardens means they spread the bark on the soil so it can retain water more and becomes more fertile. So it's better. It makes the garden grow plants in a better way. Also, oils from cedar trees are used in cleaning products. Pine nuts, probably you have some of these nuts in your kitchen. The seeds of pines are edible. Pines provide lumber for building homes. So in most areas they use the lumber or the wood from the trees to building homes. And some use this sticky resin material to use it to make turpentine, or it's used in painting. It's a paint solvent. Okay, these are some of the uses of conifers, and as you can see here, the resin has the ability to deter insects from tunneling into them, so it prevents the insect from entering the tree. So we use that resin also to help us do that in our home. We put it on the walls of the houses so insects cannot penetrate them.